Sofa.com is a UK-based online furniture retailer specializing in sofas, armchairs, and beds. They've carved a niche for themselves with their stylish designs and focus on quality. Let's dive into the good and the not-so-good of buying from Sofa.com. Pros: stylish, modern designs. Sofa.com consistently offers a wide range of trendy and contemporary furniture. Their pieces have a distinctive feel, and you're likely to find something unique. Fabric and color variety. The extensive choice of upholstery fabrics and colors gives you plenty of customization options to find the perfect fit for your home's style. Quality construction. Reviews often praise the solid construction and durability of Sofa.com pieces. They use quality materials and are built to last. Showrooms. The existence of showrooms in various locations allows you to physically try out sofas and get a proper feel for them before ordering. Cons: pricey. Sofa.com sits on the higher end of the price spectrum. Their focus on quality does justify this to some extent, but it might be out of reach for those with a tighter budget. Long lead times. As many items are made to order, wait times can be significant, sometimes extending to several weeks or even months. Mixed reviews on customer service. While some customers have smooth experiences, others report delays in communication and difficulties resolving issues. Delivery challenges. Some reviews mention complications with deliveries, like incorrect items or missed delivery windows. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.